Well, I'm sure you can tell by the gorgeous banners above your head in green, black and silver. These are laid out to look like the end of the Philosopher's Stone when Slytherin thought they were going to win the House Cup. You've also got a gorgeous feast side by side of you. It looks so good, almost good enough to eat. I say almost because it's not real. Now, they did cook the food fresh to begin with on set of the Philosopher's Stone, and it looked and smelled amazing until, hour after hour, until those hot studio lights began to smell a little less than amazing. So after that, they replaced it using a type of plastic called resin, and that is what you have here today. Now, I'm sure some of you might have noticed there is something very important missing. You'd like to take a look up? It's the ceiling. Now you have to remember that the Great Hall ceiling was enchanted, so it would be a little bit tricky to get clouds and stars in there. Those will magically added later using computers. Now where the ceiling isn't real, the floor, however, if you want to give that a quick stamp for me, that is real York flagstone, no different from what you would find in any other castle around the UK. On the set of the first Potter film, they realised that the floor was going to have to withstand a lot of wear and tear. So they used real stone, and it did withstand some of the most iconic scenes in the film series, such as the sorting hat ceremony. And speaking of which, we are surrounded by the four Hogwarts houses, as we're celebrating them. We're going to start with them. On the far side, you've got the Green of Slytherin, and in the centre, who else of the Draco Malfoy, wearing his robes from Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, and we know this because he has his inquisitorial pin badge given to him by Dumbledore as Umbridge. To my left, you have the yellow and black of Hufflepuff, and in the middle there is the uniform worn by Cedric Diggory in the Triwizard Tournament of Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire. Behind you, the blue of Ravenclaw. One of the student robes is actually that of Cho Chang, who you might remember as being Harry's first kiss, and a little bit further along, you have the costume for Moaning Myrtle, who actually, the actress that played her, Shirley Henderson, was 37 years old when she played the character. Last but definitely not least, over here we have the house of our hero, Gryffindor. Here we have some of Harry and Ron's robes from the early films.